I love the quote by Todd Whitaker, teachers are doing the best they know. They're doing the best they know. And that's where, as leaders, whether you're a teacher leader, district leader, school leader, and especially school leaders, I define the principleship pretty simply. The principal's job is to hunt, gather, protect, and defend. Hunt and gather everything teams need to get this work done. The work of the principal is to put teachers in position to execute the kind of practice that will get them better results and then change their attitudes. It doesn't happen on the front end. It happens after they get results. And so if we assume, and I love this quote by Todd Whitaker, if we assume teachers are doing the best they know, then perhaps we should provide opportunities for them to build capacity. When you build capacity, you build confidence. And once their confidence is built, it improves their efficacy. And then you're going to see better results.